Today I'm going to show you how to clear cache on a specific website in Chrome, step by step, without wiping all of your browser data. This is really useful when one site is loading slowly, showing old content, glitching, or not working the way it should, but you do not want to clear everything from every site you visit. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove the saved data for just one website, refresh it properly, and get back to browsing normally. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is fully updated and running normally so the steps look exactly the same. Once Chrome is open, go to the specific website you want to clear cache for. You need to be on that website first because Chrome lets you manage site data for the page you're currently visiting. Now, look near the address bar at the top of the browser. On the left side of the web address, you'll see the site information or settings icon. Click that icon to open the website controls. In the menu that appears, look for the option called Cookies and Site Data and click it. This section shows the data Chrome has saved for that specific website. Next, click Manage On-Device Site Data. Chrome will now show you the stored cache and local website data that belongs to that site. This is the part that often causes pages to load old information or behave strangely, so removing it can fix a lot of common issues. Now find the website data in the list. When you see it, click the trash icon next to the stored data. Chrome will delete the cached files and local site data connected to that website. After that finishes, click Done to close the window. That takes care of the first part of the cache cleanup. Now here's the important next step. Click the reload button to refresh the page so Chrome loads the site again with clean, updated data. Sometimes that's enough to fix the issue right away, but to make sure everything is fully cleared, click the site controls icon near the address bar again. This opens the site settings one more time. Inside site and settings, look for the delete data option and click it. Chrome will remove any remaining stored information for that website, giving you a fresh start without affecting other sites. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache for a specific website in Chrome without clearing your entire browser. This is a simple fix, but it can save you a lot of time whenever a website is acting up. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful Chrome tips, and I'll see you in the next video.